the importance of building a strong personality and the reasons behind it, as well as the methods that can be used to achieve this. Just like a sculpture shapes a statue from stone, and your character, let your strength be known. Smooth out your discourse. Let virtues flow. Craft a unique, let your goodness show. Yes, honorable chief guest. First and the foremost, building a strong personality is crucial for personal development and growth. It allows us to enhance our abilities, boost self-confidence, and increase self-awareness by investing in our personal development. And we can unlock our full potential and become the best version of ourselves. One of the main reasons of building a strong personality is to achieve our goals and aspirations. A strong personality helps us develop the necessary skills and determination to overcome obstacles and stay motivated. It helps us to face difficulties with strength and determination. Prophet Muhammad said, the strong is the one who overcomes the people by the strength. But the strong is the one who controls himself by the anger. And another hadith. Prophet Muhammad said, kindness is a mark of it. Whoever is no kind has no hope. Now, let's discuss some methods that can be employed or build a strong personality. Firstly, continuous learning is key. By constantly seeking knowledge and acquiring new skills through reading, studying, and attending learning courses, we can broaden our horizons and stay ahead in a rapidly changing world. Secondly, cultivating patience and resilience is crucial. Learning how to deal with challenges and setbacks with patience and perseverance is essential for personal growth. Developing skills in stress management and adaptively allows us to navigate through life ups and downs with grace and determination. Another important element is effective communication. Improving our communication skills, including active listening and clear skills, enables us to connect with others in a meaningful way. Effective communications fosters understandings, resolve conflicts, and strengthens relationships. Setting goals and planning is also essential in building a strong personality. By setting clear and realistic goals and breaking them down into manageable steps, we can stay focused and motivated. Planning organizing our actions helps us stay on track and achieve the desired outcomes. Lastly, I will end my topic with this line. Life's like a poem. Write it with care. Each day's hours make it special, rare. Plant seeds of kindness in the garden of you. Watch them bloom, making character true. When challenges come, stand tall and strong. Learn from them, let your silence come on. Like the sunships, mountains with its light, let life experiences make you fight. Be kind, be empathetic, let your heart guide. Be kind, be empathetic, let your heart guide. Thank you.